This is going to be so good.
Today we're making strawberry spoon cake, and this is a very mildly sweet cake that comes together in about 5 minutes. We cook it up in our cast iron skillet, serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. We're using our cast iron skillet, a 9 or 10 inch cast iron skillet. We start out with 1 stick or half a cup of butter, and we're going to place that in our skillet and go ahead and put this in the oven while it's preheating so that it melts. We're using 2 cups of sliced strawberries, and you'll toss those with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then let them sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. While our strawberries are macerating in that lemon juice and the sugar, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. You're going to whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. To our flour mixture, we're adding 1/2 cup of sugar. I love this cake because it's mildly sweet. Our butter's completely melted. Give it a swirl in the bottom of your skillet and pour the rest into your flour mixture. Now I'm going to set this pan aside to cool just a minute. We're pouring in 1 cup of room temperature buttermilk or milk. I'm using half and half. You can use regular milk or buttermilk. And we're adding 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. But I want a little more vanilla. I'm going closer to 2 teaspoons. I just love vanilla. And now we stir our flour, butter, and milk just until there are no large clumps. Let's just spread this evenly into the bottom of our skillet. Our 2 cups of strawberries over the top. Now this cake is going to cook at 350 degrees on the center rack for 30 to 35 minutes. So the outside is going to puff up around the strawberries and become very golden. Our spoon cake is out of the oven. It cooked about 31 minutes. It pulls away from the sides of the skillet and it's a nice golden brown. I'm going to stick a skewer in here and it comes out clean on the outside edge. The inside should still be a little soft and moist, kind of like a pudding cake.
This is a smaller version I made using some raspberries and strawberries. This cake cooked in this smaller skillet for 20 minutes, and I'm using a skewer on the outside edge, and it's done. You see the cake is pulling away from the sides. But one thing you don't want to do is over bake this. The center should remain soft, so if anything, you want to under bake this rather than over bake it.